You think you need a degree to work in tech? You don't. Today, I'll show you how you can start a tech career with no degree.
Welcome to Texas. Welcome, Texas. Welcome to Texas.
Welcome to Texas Studio, where we talk everything tech and help you navigate your career in tech using free tools, using smart steps, using real paths that work. If you've ever said, I don't have a tech background, or I didn't go to university, this video is for you. Let me tell you something important. Tech is not only coding. Tech is tools. Tech is systems. Tech is problem solving. People working in tech today did not study computer science. They learned how to use tools, how to solve digital problems, how to support teams. Employers care about skills. They care about what you can do, not the paper you hold. Ask yourself, what problems can I solve with technology? Let me give you examples. You can work in tech support, product operations, digital operations, customer success, AI tools specialist, data tools user, tech project assistant. These roles use tools, they use systems, they use logic. They do not require coding. They require organization, communication, tech confidence. Which of these sounds like you? Pick one tool, practice every day, document what you learn. Don't try to learn everything. Learn one thing well. How you build your first experience. This part is important. You don't wait for a job to gain experience. You create experience. You can help a small business, support a friend's project, volunteer online, or practice with sample tasks. Show what you can do, show how you think, show how you solve problems. Experience is not only paid work, experience is proof of skill. List tools you use, tasks you can handle, problems you can solve. Don't write long stories, write clear skills. Ask yourself, if I were hiring me, what would convince me? Let me say this clearly. You do not need a degree to start a tech career. You need direction, practice, consistency. Start small, learn daily, build slowly. Your background does not limit your future. If this video helped you, subscribe to Texas.